we are a bit disturbed by the same opposition party which, when they win MP elections, they admit and celebrate that the process is fair. And when they lose the presidential, then they start accusing the whole process. We cannot allow Nelson Chamisa to keep on holding Zimbabwe at ransom. Now that the elections are gone and investment is waiting at our borders, we start hearing the bickering again from Nelson Chamisa. It is now known and factual that it's not him, but the people behind him who are pushing their agenda, which is known to the whole nation and the whole world. And Nelson Chamisa yes, actually said it before the election that if he loses, he's not going to accept the results. But we've got a lot of prominent names that lost the results and considered defeat. Myself, I am actually one of the contestants from Seke, even though we may feel there was something that happened, but we have to allow the nation to move on. We cannot hold the nation at ransom just to please our personal interest and our handlers' interests. Scott Sakupanya and Mavuku, he has spent lots of money, but he has conceded to allow the nation to move forward. So the same, Chamisa should have the nation at heart and allow and endorse the results, allow the much awaited investors to come in and allow the smooth running of the nation. If he's got queries, President Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa is on record to say his doors are open. He can come and discuss whatever he needs to discuss with President Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. They cannot keep on crying about the electoral reforms. They've been in parliament for how many years and are not pushing that agenda with the vigor that they portray. When they get into parliament, their MPs will only start talking about their allowances and not people at large. So we cannot allow that. They must try next time. In every election, there are winners as well as losers. Thank you very much.